So it is way past Halloween. I got a tip for you, Nike. Start releasing your Halloween special shoes like a month before the holiday. People might want to wear them for trick-or-treating, to the holiday party, whatever, right? And not way after Halloween like it is now. What's up, C-Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Daddy Son.
Kick Talk. And today we are talking about the Nike SB Dunk Premium Halloween. If this is your first time to our channel or you've been here for a while, make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you get notified whenever we're dropping new heat. So, Nike does this every year. Every Halloween, they'll go and make some different models for the Halloween season or the Halloween holiday. This year, they did a Presto. Yeah. They did a couple of dunks. Of course, the mummy dunks everybody was talking about. They were so different, on the verge of, just changing up. The materials are all really nice and premium. Air Force Ones, the Air Forces that have the skeletons on them. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. It's like a skeleton print on the foot.
I haven't seen it, no.
No? All right. But those were nice. And then they also had a glow-in-the-dark Air Force One, too.
Yeah.
But the issue, again, with Nike, all of these models, right? Some didn't release on sneakers. Some you had to do raffles and things in skate shops, especially for the SBs, or buy them after the fact, right? Resell. Mm-hmm. But everything eventually lands after Halloween, which I don't understand. You got millions and millions of dollars in marketing, the biggest marketing company, of all, I'm sure.
The Nike service is just failing.
Yeah, I don't understand the timelines.
Yeah.
You releasing something for Christmas, release it in advance, not on Christmas Day.
Right.
So, anyway, enough of my rant. Let's get into the actual shoe.
Yeah.
See the box. You got a Nike SB. You got a nice label here that says, again, Nike Dunk Premium PRM.
Yeah.
Let's just get into the shoe.
Yeah.
You ready?
Let me do the honors.
You want to open up?
Yeah.
Go for it. I got you, Buffalo. And there's two of them. All right.
Yeah.
We get the box out of the way.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this shoe. This is clean colorway.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
You know what? C-Squad, if you didn't know already, today is a Nigel Seed episode because these are for young NS over here. So,
For your boy.
I'm going to be going over them, Dad. You can be the substitute today, all right?
Okay, I'll just chill out and
My
relax.
assistant teacher.
Go for it.
Now listen up. As we take our first look at this shoe, we can notice a few things here. For example, there's a lot of black, orange, and white.
Why?
To resemble the colors that are portrayed during the popular holiday, Halloween. You'll also notice that on this black are some very intriguing artworks, most likely inspired by the ancient Egyptians. Now, when you take your smell, you'll notice it smells like one of those places you went to for birthday parties back as a younger. Remember when they had those bouncy houses? Like the big bouncy house places where they had the bouncy slide and the bouncy house and the bouncy area.
All the things, right?
Yeah, it smells like those bouncy things. And let me tell you, it smells amazing. Which is why I'm going to give these shoes a very high score later.
Wow, you're already going to the score.
Yes, because it smells good.
Got it.
And you'll notice there's some crackled leather. What's it called?
Tumble leather?
There's some tumbled leather.
Not really.
Oh, I just hear that in every episode, so I think it is tumbled leather.
I guess slightly.
Yeah.
It's a slight.
Slightly tumbled.
Yeah, slight tumble on the black parts. Kind of blocked it.
Yeah. And there's some stripes on the back here. See these stripes? A really cool eye right in the center to represent my third eye being open.
Oh.
My eyes wide open.
Let me cut in here.
Okay.
If I may.
Indubitably.
So yeah, Halloween colorway, right?
Yeah.
The black, white, and orange.
Yeah.
But there's some secrets with this shoe that you wouldn't know just seeing this shoe walking down the street during the daytime, right?
Let me know.
Because the shoe in the sun, the light is kind of charging it up. In fact, you know what? I can show you better than I can tell you. Check this out. Oh. Spooky season is here.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah.
That is sick, man.
The outsole definitely glows brightest.
Yeah.
But actually the eyes, the things, everything looking at you.
This is
You
sick.
can see that pretty good, huh?
Imagine you're at a Halloween party and all the lights off, and then this is the only source of light. You'd be the coolest person in the room, you know what I'm saying?
I like these. Yeah, I like that. And I like these, you know, you go to the movies.
Yeah.
You put your feet up when the lights go down and your feet are still lit up. That's pretty tight.
That's pretty sick.
Everybody in the theaters be like, oh, look at that dude's cool shoes.
Exactly. And you can use them as a flashlight. If you're ever in a dangerous situation, like, let's bring the lights back on so I can talk to you.
There we go. Coming back, guys. Give us a half a second here.
If you ever get dropped into the middle of the wilderness at about 12 a.m. and you happen to have these shoes on, you'll have a source of light.
You'll be able to find your way?
You will. So,
a moonlight, little shoe light.
No, what if the moon's gone? Complete pitch black darkness. Except for these.
That's all you got.
Yeah.
That's all you got.
And these are just a really cool shoe, to be honest with you.
I think so too. I think it's a clean colorway, and you know, with the Halloween releases this year, I love the mummy. It was so different. You know, the way the mummy wrap bandages and all, kind of that textile on top was cool.
Yeah.
But I feel like this is a shoe you can wear during this Halloween season, and then any other time too.
Yeah.
Because this, you know, like you can't rock a mummy shoe like Christmas time. It's kind of. You know, I mean, you can do what you want, but this is something I think you could rock just regular.
Really versatile.
Right, and then also just, you know, it's just a cool, super cool shoe.
It is sick, man.
Clean design. The one thing I'll say, because it is like the premium, I expected like the leathers or something to be different or maybe more higher end.
Yeah.
They priced it up a little higher too. This was like, I think, a $120 retail price, where most Dunks are like $100. But maybe it was just because of what they had to put into the glow in the dark effects and this type of stuff.
The glow in the dark really is like the premium part, because that's like, what other shoes do you see that are glow in the dark like that?
True.
Right.
I mean, the mummies have the glow in the dark, and then actually, most of those releases have the glow in the dark.
For real?
Just the Halloween releases.
Huh.
Yeah.
Well, then that's what makes it premium.
But this one was called premium. The other ones were not.
Oh.
So I'm saying, right, like premium
so what's the
material.
premium on these?
That's my whole point.
Oh.
You get like a regular dunk.
It's the artwork on the leather.
The artwork.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do the mummies have the artwork?
Mummies have a whole different. They have some artwork, but they have a whole different thing going on too. Like the whole upper is cloth. That looks like mummy bandages. But I'm just comparing it, right?
Yeah.
It's a pair of just regular Georgetown dunks.
Right.
Your typical dunk.
Yeah.
The leathers aren't, let me feel it. It's not much different.
No, it's actually not, yeah.
Right?
This one's more, it's less smooth, like.
Yeah.
This one is more slippery.
A little bit.
These are more like dry. I'm not explaining that.
I got you. I don't know. Just throwing out some thoughts here. Let us know what you think.
Yes, please.
Are you feeling the premium Halloween dunk? Is this, you know, were you able to cop that this season? You know, they're on GOAT right now. You know, StockX, these are probably about $275, $300. The mummies, on the other hand, are like $600, $700. So
Goodness.
yeah, exactly. And again, $120 retail shoe.
Yep.
So I mean, I'm a fan of this shoe. I think again, the reason for the price point of these now, these are a little more low key. The mummy was like kind of everybody was talking about it because they were so different.
Yeah.
But I think these might actually be my favorite for something I could actually rock.
Which serves you a lesson.
What's that?
Don't always hop on the trends, because you might end up spending way more money than you actually had to. If you had looked around a little bit more and found a shoe that you liked even more that still fits the same style, you might have spent less money, but you might have ended up thinking it's a better shoe.
And that's one to grow on from Nigel seed.
The thing goes.
All right, Nigel.
Yeah.
This shoe is for
10
you,
out of
dude.
10.
10. Whoa. You go all the way to the 10, right quick.
I rock with it.
Nice.
Completely.
All right, you feeling the Halloween color, the Halloween
all of
motif?
it. Now, 10 out of 10 on the shoe. But Nike, I'm going to give you a 5 out of 10 for your service, because I was supposed to have these at a Halloween party. I did not. It's okay though. I'm going to enjoy them.
I'm sure. So you give it a 10. I'd say these, I probably would give these, I get 9. I give them a 9.
Valid score.
I'd rank these up there. You know, I keep talking about the mummy that I don't have because I do still want them. I kind of put them maybe neck and neck.
Yeah.
But these, again, having them in hand, looking at the colors, they these grew on me quick, man. Especially when you see them lit up in the dark. It's pretty fun.
That is sick, I know.
All the spooky eyeballs.
Yeah.
But let us know if you're feeling the premium Halloween dunks. If you got your hands on any this Halloween season. Thanks for hanging around. Come and check us out. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.